Hey guys, Merlot Mama here. I'm about to take over 8-Bit Dave's channel here. I've been sitting in bed and I've been wanting to propagate one of my plants and I don't know how. I've tried a couple different things. I've tried in the soil and I have tried water propagating this and I've had no luck. It is a Rex Begonia and I have been doing some research and I found a really cool idea. I've never seen a propagation like this and I'm very excited to show you guys. So I'm just gonna transform this and I'll be right back at ya. 3, 2, 1. Alright you guys, okay, so mind my child there. Life with kids. Alright, so this Rex Begonia here. This is the beautiful Rex Begonia, or a iron cross plant. Anyways, I've learned a really cool thing with it and I'm so excited to share with you guys. This is literally my first video, so thumbs up the video. I'm going to basically take one of these leaves from this beautiful, I think I'm gonna pick this big leaf here and I will show you exactly what I'm gonna do with it. Alright you guys, okay, you're not going to see my face anymore, but that's okay. We're going to look at this beautiful plant. Okay, so I'm going to take this leaf right here, and basically what I'm going to do is, as you can see, this is a very long stem here. So I have sterilized this knife, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it right at the leaf. Like, I'm not going to cut it anywhere else, right at the leaf. So let's just go ahead and do that. I guess you can use scissors if you sterilize them too. Alright, so here is your leaf. I didn't do a mature leaf and I didn't do a smaller leaf. I did kind of like an in-between. And then here is my soil mixture. As you can see, it's quite a little bit moist, but I'm going to just make it a little bit more moist. There you go. And then here I literally bought this at Walmart because your girl's new at this houseplant life. So I have this potting soil here. I don't know, it's perfect for your indoor plants. I like it because it has like a lot of compost mixed in. It has perlite mixed in and different types of soils in here. So it's really great and I do love it. It has been working really good for my stuff, all of my plants. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you what to do with this beautiful leaf. So as you guys can see here, this leaf is beautiful variegation on it. So on the back here, you see these main veins here. What I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to do a little bit of a cut in each vein. A couple there, a couple here with my sterilized knife that I'm going to use here. So I am going to do that now. Take your knife and you just kind of lay it flat and then just make a slice, slice, and basically just do this on each one of the veins. Couple. I hope you guys can see this. And basically with doing this, new growth, new babies will pop out of it. So basically here, you can see some holes. There are some bigger ones and some smaller ones, but that should be okay. And basically after you've done that, you're gonna lay it flat into your soil mixture. Just move this. Oh look, hi meow meow. Okay. So basically what you're gonna do is you're going to lay it flat just like that. Here, I'll bring it up a little bit closer. Just lay it flat in your soil. Just like that, and that's all you have to do for this part. Basically what you're doing here is you're making the little slits, and once you place it onto the moist soil, you're allowing the new growth to grow through those slits that you make. So all those little slits are gonna have new babies. So potentially I could have, like, I think I made about 10-ish slits, and you can have 10 more babies and have a whole new plant. So I'm really hoping that this works. Oh, this is my my daughter's room, one of the plant rooms in my house. I actually just forgot. Let's just quickly go over here. What I'm using is literally a Boston Pizza to-go container. That's all I'm using. And I'll get into what I do next in just 1 second. All right, so the next thing that I'm gonna do here is, as you can see, I have my plant here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take little rocks, little pebbles like this, find them outside or wherever you can find them at your local dollar store or anything. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weigh this leaf down. I'm going to just put a few rocks on it so it stays intact with the soil here. That's probably enough. So, I'm sure you can see here. There you go. You're just going to put the rocks on top of the leaf. And then here's the lid. You want a see-through lid. You can also use that plastic wrap that you wrap like food up with. And go like that. I'm using a container. If this doesn't work, I'm going to use the plastic wrap next. So my soil is moist, and this is it's containing the humidity in this container. So that is really cool. And I really like this method because it's pretty easy to do anywhere you are. So now I live in Canada, Manitoba to be exact, and it's winter here right now. And I have a few south windows, and one of them is in my baby's room. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna plop this right in a south window. I will turn my camera around. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to plop this into a south window. This is winter. This is a south window, and I'm just gonna leave this baby here for 6 weeks. Yes, that's right, 6 weeks. I'm gonna check back on the plant, and I will make a progress video if all goes well. And I hope you guys come back to see the conclusion of what happens. All right, you guys, so that was a way to propagate. Actually, I think it's like the only way to successfully propagate a Rex Begonia. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Drop a comment down below if you have done this before, if it's worked, where you live, if you did anything different. I would love to hear that from you. Give this post a like and subscribe to 8-Bit Dave. I know he hates when you do that kind of stuff, but I'm gonna do it. If you liked this video, definitely, like I said, just give it a like, and I will maybe do something more like this in the future. Until next time, XOXO MM.